The Lady Amherst pheasant, a true marvel of nature. Native to southwestern China and Myanmar, the Lady Amherst pheasant is a sight to behold. With its striking plumage and elegant demeanor, it stands as a symbol of grace and splendor in the avian kingdom. Just take a moment to admire its vibrant plumage. A magnificent fusion of deep blue, emerald green and fiery orange, each feather tells a story of intricate design and evolutionary perfection, crafted over centuries of adaptation to its environment. During mating season, males showcase their splendor in a captivating dance, a spectacle not to be missed. Their energetic displays and vibrant plumage serve as a testament to the wonders of nature's creativity and the importance of preserving biodiversity.